2-minute apple custard in the microwave. Ingredients: 1/4 apple, 1 egg yolk, 50 ml milk, 4 teaspoons sugar, 2 drops vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon brandy, 1 tablespoon cake flour, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 cocoa powder, sweetened or unsweetened. Steps: peel the apple and remove the core. Dice into 1.5 centimeters cubes. Put all the ingredients marked within a heat-resistant bowl. Combine all the dry ingredients and sift into the bowl with a tea strainer. Mix them together thoroughly. Microwave the mixture at 500 W for 2 minutes without plastic wrap. Remove from the microwave and mix well. Add the lemon juice and mix everything together. Serve in a bowl, sprinkle with cocoa powder and it's done. This tastes great piping hot or chilled, enjoy in any style you like. Here's a special version, it also tastes great when you substitute cinnamon powder for cocoa powder. Enjoy it as a topping on crepes or sliced bread, a filling for cream puffs or bread dough, or a sauce on ice cream or yogurt.